Keep it dry, just for a little while longer. Good morning. We're here to help with the repairs.
Thank you. Come in.
The damage here is significant, especially on the ridge.
Okay, let me get that.
Watch this post too, it's barely holding.
Noted.
Set the tape against the stake now. Checking the reading. Looks right. All right, watch your step here. We got the photo, that goes in the clear box. Careful with the mattress, don't snag it. Just through the tent doorway, over to the bigger one.
Almost finished with the roof panels.
Thanks, that looks good.
Just getting these tools ready for the rafters. Almost there. Lower it down, watch your back. It looks beautiful.
The team worked fast, and we're right on schedule. Looks good on this side.
Okay, I'm adjusting the string now. Keep it flowing. Getting it vibrating. Getting it vibrated now. Looks good, let's level it up. The measurements are spot on.
Looks good, let's mark it here.
Perfect, perfect.
Fantastic.
Together now, and up, straight and steady.
Hold it, check the level.
It's plumb, let's lock it.
This is the best layout for the light.
It's perfect, I can already see us living here. Watch your head there.
The laser shows it's spot on.
Keep it steady, guide it in.
Looks good, over a bit.
All right, hold it there, looks aligned. Secure it, we can unstrap now.
All right, perfect. Got it. Looks great. Fantastic work, you guys.
Looks perfect, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
They're doing great up there. The membrane is on.
Now the house is weatherproof.
Just the trim left. Looks perfect. Well done, team. Look at that, it's coming together beautifully.
Jufa.
Just as we planned.
Needs to be tight right here.
Perfect, fasten it up. Perfect alignment, just need to fasten it securely now. Look.
It looks beautiful.
Almost done, it will make a huge difference.
There you have it. Oh, it's beautiful.
And here will be the kitchen with a beautiful view.
Oh, I can see it. It's gonna be perfect.
It's looking even better than I imagined.
The timber is gonna really stand out.
This room will have the perfect view. Oh, it's beautiful, I can really see it now.
We just need to finish up the insulation here. Yeah.
It feels so sturdy and warm already.
Almost got it lined up.
Good.
Good, now secure it. This is the nursery, right?
Yes, and down here is the kitchen.
Oh, it's perfect. We're almost ready for paint and furniture.
It's looking perfect. And this will be the nursery.
I know, I can't wait. It's perfect. More than I could have ever imagined.
I'm glad. It's gonna be a wonderful home.
Go ahead, the floor is yours.
Thank you, it's beautiful.
Just the nursery left. Almost there. Just a little further.
Perfect, just like we drew it up.
Oh, it's just so beautiful. All right, perfect. Let's get these fittings tightened. Testing the water. Looks good. Step right in, take a look.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's perfect. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to meet you. Look at the view, little one.
The garden is truly coming together.
It's everything we dreamed of and more. It's perfect, exactly as we dreamed. I'm glad you like it. It's truly a beautiful home.
For you.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, it's perfect.
Welcome home, ma'am.
Welcome, it's so lovely to see you. We brought you a little something. Oh, you're too kind, thank you. Would you like to see the garden?
The garden looks absolutely stunning, thank you.
We're so glad you like it. It's been a pleasure to work here.
Yeah. It's truly transformed the place. Keep it steady.
I've got the soil.
Yeah.
Let's make sure it's firm.
My dearest daughter, I wanted you to know how much you mean to me. Sleep now, little one. So peaceful.
Come on, you can do it. Walk to Mummy.
Look at me. Walk, walk.
That's it, good job.
Mummy's got you.
I got you. Well done, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Good morning.
Mummy.
Look, our home.
Pretty.
Look, darling. Birds.
Birds.
Yes, flying high. Look at you go.
Mummy.
You're so fast. Come here.
Up, up.
Hello, my little love.
The brave little snail looked at the big green leaf and said, "Let's go on an adventure in the rain."
Adventure?
The birds are coming home, little one.
Look.
Yes, look at them. Safe now.
Home.
Happy birthday, my sweet little one.
Eee.
Look at the candle. Look, little one. It's home.
Home. Pretty lights.
Look at these. Wow, let's get this one. Pull hard.
You did it. Hooray.
Let's show Daddy. Welcome, it's so lovely to have you. Thank you, your garden looks wonderful. We're so impressed with how everything's growing. We're really proud of it.